Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, I've got a call to yeah, yeah, yeah. Watching a boss coming represent for Jamaica Worst Gamer, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today we are with the Gully God. Yes, Mr. David Brooks himself. Mavado with last night official music video. That one I dropped 15 years ago. But for some reason, at the first me I come across the music video. The music video. So I'm gonna jump in that one and see where Gully God did have to say them time, man. Let's go, man. Mr. Real McCoy, Mr. Gangster for life. Let's go. Classic from Mavado. Yeah, man. Once I juggle him, this happy night, man. So you're upon cassava piece, yes.
And I say them no one, thumping our face, but the fools them can't. Me give them cap off with jar, me no shoot to jar. Straight head shot, boy get murdered. Tell about the gun me bust last night in the past night. Infrared money made was the last night. Him coulda passed like 6 past fight. He get a pretty casket, yeah the glass side. Well,
fucking top style is after me.
Bang bang, bang bang.
The video is not in high quality, but you're gonna make it work. I 4 years till them give it ready. And I said them no one, thumping our face, but the fools them can't. Me give them cap off with charm. All that man them can defend themselves. Give me a signal, ready.
Tell about the gun me bust last night in the past night. Infrared money made was the last night. Him coulda passed like 6 past fight. He get a pretty casket, yeah the glass side.
Fucking top style is after me.
They told us I didn't let them catch me. Grew up poor, now me make the money, them a watch me.
Hey, but say my father did left Jamaica for a number of years now. Now him son get free up. In the song him said the fucking cops them all is after him. What one? And I said them no one.
So them no one, thumping our face, but the fools them can't.
Me give them cap off it.
Me no shoot to jar.
Classic Gully God, what the Gully fans them they ready?
Tell about the gun me bust last night in the past night. Infrared money made was the last night. Him coulda passed like 6 past night. He get a pretty casket, yeah the glass side. Fucking cops always after me. Kill me, they told us I didn't let them catch me. Grew up poor, now me make the money, them a watch me. See me with me chain and them a wonder when me watch me. Half bus made a way make Dr. 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 patch me. What about my barn and no woman and hatch me. Telling me for ammunition gun me have the factory. Swear to them kill me.
Footer, big up footer. Big up blood clot footer. I like footer or 8 footer. Only just know say you're a footer. Big up footer.
Telling me for ammunition gun me have the factory.
Blood clot, 1 footer in a yacht.
What about my barn and no woman and hatch me. Telling me for ammunition gun me have the
1 blood clot footer. Big up footer.
Watch it, swear to them kill me DNA. Me tell you about the gun me bust last night in the past night. Infrared funny made was the
Bumbleclaw. Yeah, some boy I pose up with gun and then I feel them one. Yeah, some boy that's a big Bumbleclaw gun back. Pose the gun like 6 and I use that on me.
Them no one, thumping on my face, but the fools them can't. Me give them cap off with charm, me no shoot to jar.
Classic Mavado. 15 years ago.
The gun me bust last night in the past night. Infrared funny made was the last night. He could have passed like 6 past fight. He get a pretty casket, yeah the glass side.
What man? Fucking cops always after me. Kill me if them could.
I didn't let them catch me. Grew up poor, now me make the money, them a watch me. See me with me chain and them a wonder when me watch me. Want for bust me. That way make Dr. 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 patch me.
Level me. All that people let me know say yo, they've been a fan of Mavado from them time now. Even before them time now. Give me a signal and comment.
The gun me bust last night in the past.
Give me a signal.
Infrared funny made was the last night. Him coulda passed like 6 past Mike. Him get a pretty casket, yeah the glass side. Aye, tell some fool set on the corridor. Killer, the 5 stars up.
Big up killer. Blood clot on the gun side. Right on the bridge. No time to drive past this stuff.
Aye, let them fucking head on the corridor. Man, take a chick to breed me girl over Florida. Aye, man a gangster them say them a warrior. But me know say them a fool cause them a tell about the gun me bust last night in the past night. Infrared on the main
don't show the next team.
Him coulda passed like 6 past fight.
Even next one. Suck your mother. Real mother.
fucking cops always after me. Kill me if they could, but I didn't let them catch me. Grew up poor, now me make the money, them a watch me.
Crime scene.
And them I wonder when me watch me. One for bus me that we make Dr. Cleveland patch me. But I want my band and no woman and at me. Telling me farm and ish and gun me have the factory. Swear for them kill me DNA didn't match me. No gun me bust last night in the past. Infrared bunny man was the last. It's the fast like sister fast like. We get up in the casket, we get the glass. And I said them no one, said them no one.
Yeah, the vice you.
But the fools them can't. Me give them cap up the charm. Me no shoot the jar. Straight head shot, boy get murder. Gun my boss. Last night was a fucking gun in the
yeah, the vice you. Iconic melodic voice of Mavado.
Me tell about the gun my boss.
Calling all cars, calling all cars.
Yeah, remember the bike here now. Remember the bike here for real still now. Remember the bike here, dog. I still remember the bike here.
Tune on time.
Me no gone nowhere.
Hold on.
No.
A double yet, okay.
Me there same way, yeah.
A double to get it now.
Them lose again.
C'est foot right there. If you want to.
Shooting farmer, make them hold the sign. Because them sick too much, them can't fight me. Me no gone.
Tune on time.
Yeah, run it again.
Me no gone nowhere.
No. Just cross. Foot to eye. Who else we can recognize that so? Who does it flex? Who does it keep backing? If you want to.
If you find me shooting farmer, make them hold the side. Because them sit too much, them fear fight me. That's why me there up on the gully side. If you want more, if you find me, gunshot and make them hold the side. Cause them sit too much, them fear fight me. From what you be here, some attack say, God knows
when you say them chat too much. Oh, buckler. What do you think about that one you do? It's a classic from the Gully God himself, you know, man. Big up all the people who've been a fan of Gully God from then time there till now. You see the growth in the man's career, you see the growth in the man himself. Big up yourself, Gully God. Big up yourself, Gully side. Yes, cassava piece, do all the cassava piece. Big up yourself. Big up the people who must say Gully and nah switch. Nah, never will. Yeah, that's it there. Vado, big up your bumper class self, my G. Yes, big up the production for that one. Yeah. I don't know who produce it, but I know say a VP record send it out the road. So big up VP. You get me? Yeah. This is how I'm gonna leave down. I see if you enjoyed that one, I want to see more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. This was a throwback. I'll catch you in the next one.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.